Alright people, this will be a long awaited moment for me. I'll be unboxing the birthday present I've always wanted, the Topping E30 DAC. Ever since I got into high fidelity audio 2 years ago, well, I only just discovered DACs in early mid 2019, and I've been following Topping kind of closely because they always seem to be a great bang for the buck. The previous D10, D30, those have gone out of production. I wish I could get my hands on one of those because of the Nichicon and the Wima capacitors, but hey, the successor is here, the E30. Yes, that's right. Instead of diarrhea, it's now elephant. I just chose the most random words. Why did I choose that? Why did I choose that? Anyway, it is here. I'll first unwrap it from the bubble wrap, and then I will tell you what will be included inside the box. Jeez, how many layers of tape did I use? Oh, it's right there. And now, where's the... If you just slide it out like this. Here is the box of the Topping E30 DAC. Hi-res audio. Sony loves to use this in all of their products. I hate it. It's like hi-res audio in your face, in your mouth, in your ears, in your brain. Please focus. It's like shoving hi-res audio down your throat. Thanks, Sony. Well, maybe no thanks instead. On the sides of the box, E30 silver. I chose the silver option because I love the look of 1970s, 1980s silver face high fidelity components like the Pioneer SX1250. Come on, why are you focusing so poorly? Maybe the camera is as excited as I am. Heh! Anyway, the box is not some 10-cent 1mm cheapo thingamajig. There's even a protective foam. This is there'll be a warranty card, a user manual, the remote, which is apparently the same units used in their higher end DACs like the D90, I think. So get it out of its plastic. It's made of plastic, but it's not some flimsy thingamajig. I'm not sure if it has any included battery. I don't think so because the LED does not light up. I'll get into more of that in a second video. This is just an unboxing. There'll be a second part, possibly a third, I'm not sure, showing the in-depth functions and sound test. There's a USB input connecting cable to transfer, well, to connect it to your computer so you can play audio. This is the USB to power, because power and audio data transmission is in separate, I don't know how to say this, inputs. And a block of foam for the E30, and I have to reach in there to get it out of the case. Actually, I shall put the camera back, put the box elsewhere, and do this properly. Here it is with a protective plastic still on. I shall try not to get my fingerprints on it, although this is a touch button. It feels so weighty. It's sturdy and well built. When we look at it under better light, Topping E30 768 kHz DSD 512 USB DAC. And the function select touch button. It has little plastic feet. Ooh, silver. I feel it's made of aluminium and it's kind of warm, above room temperature. Let's not waste any more time. At the back, I'll be leaving that on. Right and left channel RCA outputs, coaxial input, optical and USB input, and power input. Now I do have a Logitech power adapter for, where is it gone again? There it is. For the Bluetooth receiver, but honestly I do not think that the power inputs will be the same. Well, the barrel jack diameter can't be the same. Harris audio. One last look at the front. Hitachi silver. Once I get all of those out of the bag, I'll move on to part 2. Setting it up, probably, I don't know. I don't script these videos. I just say everything live. I don't like scripting, it doesn't show my flow of thoughts and stuff like that.